Letting go of resentment doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, just the awareness that you're carrying it is already a huge first step. Self awareness about our emotions and patterns has the power to shift our energy in profound ways. So, if you're aware you're carrying in resentment, give yourself a major pat on the back. With that in place, practicing these simple, quick, and effective techniques will help you release that weight even faster and feel lighter and calmer. Let's dive in. The first tool is affirmations. Remember that Friends episode where Chandler hilariously tries affirmations? This is kind of like that, but instead of quitting smoking, you're quitting negativity. Affirmations are like little pep talks for your soul. You can say them out loud, you can write them down, or even play them while you sleep like a soothing bedtime podcast. Try something very simple like, I release what no longer serves me, or I choose peace over resentment. And as you practice saying them, writing them, or playing them, they will sink slowly into your subconscious, transforming how you feel. Another tool that could help is journaling, but we'll add a small twist here to make it even more effective for releasing resentment. It's called Write and Burn. So grab a pen and paper and write out everything that's bothering you, raw, unfiltered, without any judgment. Once it's all out on paper, choose to consciously destroy it. You can burn it, safely of course, rip it, or shred it. Visualize your resentment slowly disappearing with every torn or burned piece. Finally, you could practice the breath of fire. This one's like an emotional reset button. So sit comfortably, ideally cross legged, on the ground, or on a chair if that's not possible. Keep your back straight, center yourself, and start breathing. Quick, rhythmic exhales through your nose, pulling in your belly with each inhale, a little like Kapalabhati pranayama. Imagine that with every inhale, you are charging yourself, pulling up energy from the earth, and with every exhale, you're releasing resentment. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds or longer if you're able to sustain it. And then finish off with a few deep, slow inhales and exhales, visualizing yourself letting all the resentment move out from wherever it is stuck in your body. You'll feel the weight lift and the calm settle in. These tools are simple, effective, and perfect for clearing those emotional cobwebs. You could try any of them or all of them, and you'll definitely see a shift.